Hello student, this is Tushar from Genius Print, and today I am going to tell you an important topics for reasoning, that is for VVM exam 2020. Okay, so in that sessions I will try to discuss calendar problems. So basically these types of questions are generally asked in our examinations, and I also saw that in different years they ask what is the day of that particular month, that particular date in that particular year. So all of you basically know these things, but in that sessions I will try a very famous rules, so that you can get easily what is the day of that date of that particular month or year. So before I start these sessions, I will request all of you, please subscribe my channels and press the bell icon so that you can get this entire notifications. And we have launched different codes for solving this BVM examination problems. In that session, that means video series, I have discussed so many important questions. You can easily visit these things and enjoy these sessions. And another thing is that you should follow our Instagrams also, so that you can ask your query on that Instagrams, and I will definitely answer these things. So let's start today's topics. See, suppose we have to find the 20th day of March 1956. Now first of all, try to solve it on your own way. That means by pausing this video, you have to try on your own way. What may be the 20th day of March in 1956? Okay, so first of all, so let me solve these questions from my own way, and you should enjoy these things. Okay, so here, for solving these questions, we have to chronologically understand these things. Number one, we have to keep in mind that some code. So what is the code? Code is that 033 035 614 625. This 0 for January, it is 3 for February, it is for March, it is for April, 1 is for May, it is for June, 6 is for July, 2 is for August, 5 is for September, 0 is for October, 3 is for November, and 5 is for December. We have to keep in mind this code. This is our first step. And second step is, we have to keep in mind, it is number one, we have to keep in mind the year code. It is the month code, and we have to keep in mind year code. Year code is that for 1600 to 1699 it is 6, and from 1700 to 1799 it is 4, then 1800 to 1899 it is 2, and from 1900 to 1999 it is 0. See, 4 minus 6, that means it is 2 reduced, here also 2 reduced, here also 2 reduced, but for 2020 we have to use code what? On what we have to use code? 6 again. Okay, so this we have to keep in mind whenever you will solve this 2-3 questions, that means from that reasoning section. Then I will definitely say that it will be very easy for you to solving these questions. Next things, see what I will do. It is 20th day, then use 20 plus 20th day of what? Then use March code. March means month code. Month code is what? January, February, March. March for it is 3. Use 3 here, plus 1956. Okay, so you have to use first of all 56. Then divide this 56 with 4 for leap year calculation. So if I divide this 56 with 4, I will get 4 1s are 4, 1, then it is 16, then 4 4s are 16. I will get what? 4 4s are 16, it is 14. Okay, so use 14 here. Then year code. Year code is what? It is 1900. That means we have to use what? 0. so it is 0. Now add these things together. So 4 plus 6 becomes 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 3, then carry 1, 1 and 1 is 2, 7 and 2 becomes 9, 93. Then divide this 93 by 7, then you will get 7 1 is 7, 8 9, that is 2, that means 23, 7 3 is 21, 22 23, that means 2 is remainder. If I okay, so let me divide these things by that way. 93, 7 1 is 7, it is 2, then again 3, 7 3 is 21, then again 2. See, here it is, remainder is 2. Then we have to use what? Decode. Use what? Decode. It is our third step. First step is month code, second step is year code, third step is decode. Decode means what? 0 for Sunday, 1 for Monday, 2 for Tuesday, 3 for Wednesday, 4 for Thursday, 5 for Friday, 6 for Saturday, and again 0 for Sunday. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So we have to use this code. So here 2 says that it is 2, that means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So answer should be Tuesday. So here from that I can say that 20th day of March in 1956 will be the Tuesday. I hope all of you have understood here this important sessions, because if you solve these types of questions at least 5 or 10, then I think it is very easy for you to calculate what is the day of that times, or what is the day of that year, etc. So if you understood these topics, then I will definitely request all of you to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get our next also. So here I have discussed a very important sessions, that means important topics of reasoning. So to get this next things, please stay with us. Okay.